This is my fit check for today's video. Top from Maui. Pants from my sister. Lahat to hiniram sa kanya. Ito yung galing sa akin. So, anyway, I'll bring you guys with me. This is a surprise for Resen because he didn't know that I bought a digital action screen. Okay, bye.
Heels ka pa, ha? Ano? Heels ka pa, te. Di ko nahirapan yun sa paglalakad. Anyway, bye! I'm gonna go up here. Natin. Okay, yan yung mas maraming laman. Use this. Okay guys, we are already waiting for the train. Sobrang init eh. So, I'm already here in Shaw Boulevard and dito ka na magkikita ni Reza. Gusto ko lang yung gamit ko. Kasi ang kalat niya. Tapos, ako lang mag-isa. So, anyway. Alam mo, huwag na natin isara. Wala naman sila makakukuha dyan. Okay, I'm on my way to Edsa shop and I'll stop filming for now because tingnan nga natin, surprise natin si Reza. Okay, since 8 minutes pa daw. 18? 18?
Kailan pa yan?
Hi vlog! Are you surprised? Kasi this is in time for his truck next week. Huling-huli siya. Yay!
Vlog ka, di ba?
Yes. Be! Mama, oh! Anyway, it's our 30th monthsary tomorrow, pero we decided to have an advance celebration today because may binyag kami tomorrow na. We are already here in the restaurant. My love, you're so guwapo. Guwapo? Lord, yes. Ito na lang po. So nice. Feeling ko kasi tapit ako.
Oo, may darating ng puting pa.
Okay, hi guys. On the way na kami kung saan man. So
Hi! Come join us.
Date. Bye. The famous stairs. Oh my god. Wow.
Yes.
We're here in Ayala Museum. Hi guys, we are in Ayala Museum. Nakapasok na kami. And these are the rates. So nice. We're here in 4th floor. Grabe ang dami. Details. Ay, ang ganda. Look at those details. Ha?
Balabal siya.
This one?
Hindi, ito. Binalabal na po. Ito yung painting.
That's nice. Grabe yung details sa bawat tela. Kasi grabe yung time para tahiin, para iborda, everything. See? Tignan ba yung texture? Pogi.
Gusto ko yung code.
Oh, wow. Ito yung gold guys. This is one of the coolest things I've seen here. Grabe yung details, guys. Oh, yun o. So focused. But then I saw this. Oh my god, little pigs.
Wake up, Peppa Pig.
Hi guys, so we are currently in Motor World. Kasi wala, tumitingin lang kami ng motor. Ay, motor. Ng helmet. Wala motor dito, kahit Motor World siya. We're basically looking for a helmet. Yan siya, is contemplating kung anong bibilin. Yes, potting helmet. Hey, happy kid. Sobrang cute naman. Dito yun, dito ko nakita yun. Ito labo. Or this one. We're currently here in Kotawari. That's what we're getting. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Alam mo, asili na naman ako. Mahal, you can get the egg pack.
You can get that if you want.
Ang pala, doon pala pinabawasan ko yung spicy. Asin talaga ulit.
Kaya na.
So. May natira pa. Ano talaga dito sa Makati?
True.
Tahimik ko, wala masyadong tao. I think this is the right time, guys, to end the vlog. Because 18% na lang yung DJI.
Someone's gonna edit.
And, yun lang. Bye!
Bye.